the way people see your smile, he can't do anything about those teeth. But you can. Now there's Dazzle, the incredible tooth whitener that gives you a movie star smile the very first time you use it. Look, food dulls your teeth. Dazzle brightens them like this. Coffee yellows your teeth. Dazzle makes them pearly white. Smoking stains your teeth. Dazzle gives them exciting new sparkle. Ordinary brushing just gets rid of food particles and surface dirt. But Dazzle reaches deep down within the enamel to lift out stains and years of discoloration. It's an all-natural treatment that's proven safe and effective. Just follow these 3 easy steps. First, rinse your mouth for 15 seconds with this refreshing conditioning pre-rinse. Then apply this oxygenation gel with an ordinary cotton swab. You'll actually feel this amazing formula work, whitening and brightening. The finishing touch is this polishing cream that gives your teeth that high gloss gleam and leaves your mouth refreshed. In less than 5 minutes, you'll have the dazzling smile you've always dreamed of. Teeth as white as this dentist's bottle. It's the perfect example of how your teeth should look. And with Dazzle, it's how your teeth will look. Movie stars have paid thousands of dollars for a smile this bright. And you've seen other tooth whitening systems for as much as $50. But Dazzle is yours now for only $14.95. That's right, forget $50. This dazzling smile is yours for the incredible low price of only $14.95. Save COD, use your credit card and call now. To order, have your credit card ready and call 1-800-342-7200 or send check or money order for $14.95 plus $3.50 shipping and handling plus $3.50 plus $3.50 plus $3.52. Dazzle, 400 American Way, Roanoke, Virginia. Or call now